Good evening, good evening. I'm still continuing with geomorphology, the short questions, the ones out of 8 and the ones out of 7. That's what I'm concentrating on now. Okay, various types of drainage patterns. Okay, we are doing drainage patterns now, illustrated by the sketches A to E. Below, choose the sketch that matches the statement or description. So these are the diagrams that we have that shows the different drainage patterns. These are the diagrams that we have that shows the different drainage patterns. Okay, A, B, C, D, and E. Then we have got the descriptions here. You know, this one is your dendritic, you know. This one, you know, is your trellis. This is the mainstream. You can see the short joining at right angle. This is a mountainous or dome-shaped, which means it's a radial. This is your rectangular. You can see this is your deranged. So that's the first thing that you need to do. You need to know the different types of drainage patterns that are shown in the sketch, in the sketch, so that at least it becomes easier for you to link it to the descriptions. Let's see what we have. Activity 4. Let's see what we have. This pattern resembles the spokes of a wheel. Which one resembles the spokes of a wheel? You can see is this one, the spokes of a wheel, which means here is what? It's C. This is what resembles the spokes of a wheel. This is what resembles the spokes of a wheel. So you should know the drainage patterns in terms of description, in terms of what they look like, in terms also of the underlying rock. This is what will help you to get more marks in as far as drainage patterns are concerned. So the moment you know how it looks like, you know how to describe it, then it becomes easier. So it resembles the spokes of a wheel, which means this is the one that we are talking about, which is C, which is your radial or your centrifugal. Occurs in areas that has undergone glaciation. That is your deranged. Which one is your deranged? That is E. Develops in areas where there are folded sedimentary rocks, 2.1.3, folded sedimentary rocks, 2.1.3, that is your trellis, which is what? B. Then tributaries join the mainstream at acute angles, that is your dendritic, which is what? A. Then river flow in all directions away from a central high-lying area, 2.1.5. That is your radial or your centrifugal central high-lying area. You can see this high-lying area is a mountain, so which means it's C. Then occurs in areas that have a uniform resistance to erosion. That is your dendritic, which is A. Then forms in areas where there are alternating layers of hard and soft rocks, 2.1.7. That is